tell me say yeah men kase fafa. Because maybe you think in your mind, you think somebody or some station is politically affiliated.
Munji boom ko obianko pede akom de na onye obedi o obianko
obuase nkomo eba enura ye di hu nkomo. I told you my mind. Make I say to the be anya futu obia na ye di adwuma fa wadwene ye adwuma
abodam monko. Listen say AGA, no, let me tell you,
don't sit there na say be won trust na wo ma obi enfidu issues na wo fa nante nya adwuma dwene ho.
if you guys don't take care, we will chase you out of this country, I swear.
Doesn't mean I won't tell them the truth. Ade anya na nya they are videos showing say srafo no hia ya galamsefo no eni omu hia ya ka kire om say krate ahanya manama ahanya mobia.
My careful, we will chase you out of this country. Because listen,
that this thing you are saying, I disagree with you. You are my captain. And until be a bit to what the shuffle say, young moon campaign my way, moving new way at Tinamudia to the Sabi, where's our word to me?
Monko, listen, say AGA, no, let me tell you.
Usia Enra Dana a Captain Smart ghtrend media and so Nini Nigina or Obuasi minus no sem no aja na no ko yi ne kama no ko ka sem. Omunkonom ko didi ewo AGA for pitinim. Na enanopa we die eye na ya Brefo edi muaye mu muaye we ye shade kakra abema ne Captain Smart.
That this thing you are saying, I disagree with you. And the papa go happening to me, yes, I mean you are my captain. From wherever we've worked, no. Yeah, Kasawa radio, TV, so I also speak my mind. Because I didn't know no good trim now.
LSO GH must and any first time I put into a video, make sure to subscribe and my no click on notification bell and set their latest updates be about Sabitiniaka. Your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. So follow these pages at the amami. Any comment to be answered or with me or comment section or at the amami. Then I know power there and I have Brefo I can send baby or the big wakabi at your Captain Smart and wakabi at your yank to me for no.
Mami Monra Obuasi Kakrana fe yan samra back to the road. And running and some will send social media and 10 times look, we spoke our mind about it. Quesinsia knows me very well because he worked under me some time ago. Look, no way. It doesn't happen here. Nobody has called me ever to tell me say yeah man kase fafa. Because maybe you think in your mind, you think somebody or some station is politically affiliated. It's to me, man, I mean nobody. It's yet just star baby. Obuasi nkomo eba enura ye di hu nkomo. I told you my mind. Make I say to the be a nyafutu obi an ye di adwuma fa wadwene ye adwuma. Ya kura ya ka kire otumfuo me ka kire say to the be kura ne to wedura ma wa. Me to ma no usan kwa akosi akire na san ya research. Me bo bibi da wro ho kire wa fa wadwene ye adwuma na wo so si akire. Do your research. Everything is on the internet. Apart from the internet, you can go to the environs of the place. Be you get information. Don't sit there na say be won trust na wo mo bi enfidu issues. Na wo fa nante nya adwuma dwene ho. Nyame di nyansa ma wo se dwene. Ya ka kire so akwa so dem no so for Bible no preach kire wa. Look, open the Bible. Read it and ask God for understanding. Because even some pastors can manipulate, some pastors can misrepresent Nakopon and in the Bible. I tell you for a fact. And two quarters so they're not so for see and any effort. See and ye na wafu ajene to na kind Bible. Ne bumper yes and yamma unim ye na Bible now what kind of say. Say be ya the be ya man so for say now dear today. And until be a bit to other so for say young moon campaign my way, moving new way at Tinamudia to the Sabi where's our word to me. Sabi me the account. You have a mind. What train so for carry ya general me and say today. Can Bible do some references and then this of what you fire young quack. So for the Benjamin, you know Benjamin. But be a Jumano, it is a job. Yame a France of Phoebe. But Yamis boy in his own image. One tresses of what the modern and them were black and white. I'm saying this and I'm not saying because of that. Don't listen to your pastor. Yes, I'm a pastor. It doesn't mean I won't tell them the truth. At the end, there are videos showing say straf one share ya galamsey for no. Any omu share ya kachrom say krate. Ahanya manama, ahanya mobia. Move. Argument see huh? But the truth is that they say they were not holding weapons. To be honest with you, what do you call a weapon? You can't weapon a idea. Because Oklahoma a weapon. Oh, quack for flight, they ask you so will Simesi or Benti or Bagmana. Ask yourself why they ask you those things. Because there are things that you could use to harm others. And yet, one a weapon. So let me tell you, I'm going to chase it. Put to me the ball between the hammer bomb crack and manipanu. But I must say they did not use those weapons on the soldiers. Because those weapons they were using were used our ground underground. So I'm going to now I'm going to go to the bob because Obuasi was your now. Obuasi was your now. Ethiopia, yeah, Juma Obuasi and assassination no mudi. And there's no way people have alluvial mining. And most of them who are there, and you know that's their job, all duty. Because you see, Anglo Gold Ashanti left. Have you asked why they left Ghana? What beside the country I'm quiet and how Obuasi was? Me, I don't condone to the fact Anglo Gold Ashanti to Obuasi. No, Obuasi gold, Anglo Gold, Kasiante, who rob Obuasi as Kurase. Obuasi quite in fact, make us a main road no maya. But Obuasi put him town roads when you move fast. One more quite yet. Anglo Gold, and so I will tell Anglo Gold this is wrong, this is bad. You have a social corporate responsibility. But no credit Anglo Gold, the more Juma, you may be a Juma. Apart from some of some of them have a contract will be supplying toilet roll, will be supplying liquid soap. Now when Anglo Gold left Obuasi almost collapsed like a weir. The only person I probably wasn't too close to was at a mills, but I don't cry on especially Koko and you know. Oh, are they? Until we speak our truth, what happened in Obuasi campaign? Temwa Wamukwa Sham Nanase. I mean, I didn't see one side of a Quayo May Pier. So I move free another side in Pier. I didn't try Galamsey for look, the word Galamsey is not even a correct word to use. Because it means that you are not legally binded to do a Juma. Assassin Juma, wouldn't who quite me, Makwa Sassiasi pain. Makachra da Gabiwu. Because Sassiasi what I call before them me. Mayema Juma, I do with practicals. My boy rush right. I want a year a mankasim. Kotoya, echo a yes shrine. And my bomb by year one off me, Makomi to a year a coconibbi. And they are trying me, me, I do practical work. Men are DC, 2 minutes, I am in Persiaso. See me, and don't go and misrepresent me. They say, what yes for? What can you mean? Go and read the Bible, seek the face of God. Nenya and Tiasia video catch out likewise a media person. And Centroni be no cassette Renadria yet ye. And Yakomo I do unti, never be a becca be an idea today. So when you man yada come the unti, I send me a becca be an idea today. While should I say to do home, Kikasiani and facts are facts. Facts are facts. So you should be mindful and careful how make out even on our platforms. Sometimes when people write things, I put my mind there. I tell them my mind there on our platforms. Go and ask them. Sometimes when I meet them outside, I tell them my mind that this thing you are saying, I disagree with you. And if I'm coming to me, yes, I mean you are my captain. From wherever we've worked, no. Yeah, Kasawa radio, TV, so I also speak my mind because I didn't know no good trim now. Sabe my yajuma where I prove you for nothing at all. I've worked and worked in with some presidents. Me yes a drone no kufuo. Come on, Rollins, your president, let me answer Johnny. Kufuor time, may say, John Mahama, Nanato, if for nothing at all. And we also know what we know, and we speak our truth. So let me tell you, but I am somebody who is forceful. I like, may come out there with all aggression. But my mama didn't cast him now. And I mean, didn't try because my person didn't try now to hear me. And he says, I'm a coward, I'm a coward, madam for no crime, I'm a coward. That no, me coca will be the madam for a friend and say, that's a madam, let me see you. Then Mama be a me who say I met the magic. That is why all the presidents, they are all my baby boys. I am enough for four.
Ebusiana said the nana ya Brefo SCN no was saying yes obi tena ase a wo ka asema na odi milika na odi so na wo koye sebi obi ka asema na odi nyansa ato ho ansa ana wa react me de mani edi nsem nechi any update bi aba me de bebro your Facebook as let's talk GH rumors and your TikTok as let's talk GH me so be follow these pages e de amami me din e de na ne ka santo makram